Okay, this is going to be real short. I'm trying to get to the bottom of what's going on with my flight sim since they did the update 6 on October 19th a couple days ago. Now my planes won't fly right anymore. I've gone over all the controls. I've gone over everything in the options. Can't figure it out for the life of me. The only thing I figured out is the rudder is what's causing the issues. I don't know what's going on. Now you watch. I'm going to take my joystick. You can't see my joystick. You just have to trust me. And we'll look at this. The rudder is centered. Now what I did is I put on a key on my joystick to center the rudder. But I'm going to show you what happens with my joystick. There's nothing wrong with the joystick. I recalibrated it in Device Manager. I went to my IL2 flight sim, which is a completely different flight sim, and the joystick works fine over there. So it's nothing broken with my joystick. This has something to do with Update 6, and I can't for the life of me figure out what's causing it. Now you watch the rudder. I'll go right rudder, and I'll go left rudder. Okay, now I'll go right rudder. Now watch what happens when I let go of the joystick and go to center. Center the joystick. It goes back to left rudder. My joystick is centered, like I've got my hands off the joystick. It just goes and I go right rudder, let go of the joystick, back to left rudder. Like it shouldn't be doing that. It should be no. I'll hit the center joystick key on the joystick. There, now it's centered. That's the way it should be all the time. Even when you launch the plane into the game, it should be like that. And it is like that when you first put the plane on the runway. It's like that. But the first time you apply any kind of rudder, right rudder, and let go of the joystick, it goes to left rudder, and it stays there. So when you're in the air, you're constantly flying with this full left rudder. The only way I can fly is I got it completely there. I've got right aileron and right rudder on to keep it straight. As soon as I let go of it, it goes back to left rudder, and then I got to hit that key to make it straight. But it doesn't matter when I put it straight like this. That doesn't mean I've corrected it, because the first time I apply right rudder and let go of the stick, it goes back to left rudder. So I've constantly got this issue going on. I hope that explains it to the tech guys so they know what to look for. And I've gone through all my settings in my joystick options, and I can't for the life of me. I could go in here and show you. I'll go into control options. There's my joystick. I can go into flight control surfaces. I'll go as assigned. I'll go all. Flight control surfaces. There's nothing. There's no reason if I can go in here and I'll go flight control. I'll just write control. Plane controls. That's a drone. That's to show you the controls. But you see I've got all the boxes are empty. I got nothing showing with control. Nothing. I go in here and I'll go through my joystick axis. Center rudder. That's the only one I've marked. And you see for some reason I've got reverse axis, because this is like right rudder and left rudder. If I unreverse them, it'll go the other way. If I go left rudder, the plane will go right. If I go right rudder, the plane will go left. So I've got them reversed. It's the only way I get them to work. So, and it's always been like that since before my update. I've had them like that, and the planes flew fine. The problem isn't with my settings. The problem is why is the plane going to full left rudder for no reason? See, right rudder, left rudder, let go of the joystick. Right rudder, let go of the joystick, left rudder. And there's no reason for that. Anyway, I hope this gives you guys some insight on what's going on. I got to close the video.